On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Gang. Gang, 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 bang, bang, bang. What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Gang. Gang, gang, gang. I wonder what my wife thinks when I'm yelling gang, gang, gang in the morning. And then she's like, this guy. It's one of those days, everybody. We have the giant mug today. We have a lot of coffee. Remember yesterday, and we didn't have much coffee? Well, guess what? We are over prepared today. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the coffee. Let's get into it. I had to do it. I had to get like more coffee than like more coffee than I could even drink. Good to see everybody here. Thank you so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you guys. Motu says I'm lagging. Are we okay over there? Is the stream okay? It says it's healthy on my side. You guys let me know. Hello? It seems okay here. Sound's not good? Sound check. Running smooth. I'll take Tony's word. You know how long? Okay, we're pushing here. Pushing into the liquid ditty. Liquid ditty. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Sweeping the highs right now as we speak. No short. It's too early to short, man. We're just getting through this coffee. No trade. Nice sweep of the highs here coming in. Nice higher lows all the way through. An absolute insane in the membrane day. Insane in the brain. Yesterday. Jesse, good luck. Good morning to you. Ari, good morning. Brian Beanwald, you been well? It's Ada's turn today. Hopefully. And that's why we ain't chasing tops here. A little SFP of the high, mitigating the high here. Bearish? Nah, not bearish divergence, but coming back and retesting back in here. No trade yet. Let's be patient today. Patience paid yesterday. We took the long on the live. That was a fun long, man. Oh my God. What an insane day yesterday. My God. Look at this thing. You can't write this. This is just complete dog Dog shit. I'm going to say it, okay? You can't. This is like 3%, man. That's crazy. You guys be I was trading this yesterday. I mean, I was having fun. I got long in here too, and like I could have left it, but long stopped out. Oh man, insane. You need to use a stop loss. Like it's a must. It's an Elon must in this. That would have been a nice little short here. Look at this, already down. Okay, my God. Good morning to you. Forget about it, Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Fine. Good morning to you, Dan Bartley. Good morning, Paul Caruso. Good morning, and the gang. Green morning. So far, so good. Yeah, pushing up. I would like to see this kind of retrace a little bit before continuing. If we are going to continue, Dragonfly Darshan. Good morning to you, Donato Cabrera. Goldie Crypto Mo2. Good morning to you, Father Time as well. Tim Tortelloni, not Tortellini. It's Tortelloni. Leave him alone. Okay, Gillian. Good morning to you. Oh man, Anonymous. Good morning. I want to say it again. Donato Cabrera. My wife can't roll her R's. Oh, I'm so happy about the coffee today. I got so much coffee. I mean, I should have one of those like water boy helmets with the coffee. That would have been a nice short, everybody. That would have been a great short. A bit early for me. Good morning, Seymour Liddy, my man, Lorelai. Good morning. Woohoo. Let's go. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Adeslam Kamal. Good morning to you. Jesse, good luck in the chat. Jesse, don't you dare talk about weekly, monthly, yearly VWAP today, or you're getting a timeout. Patrick Swayze, Mickey, good morning to you. Crypto Birdie, good to see you as well. BC Portcore Piper Academy in the building. What's going on? Much love to you guys. Nicholas, good morning to you. Well, a little rollover here, man. Coming back for the Bulls. Ooh, Lunchable Connoisseur, good morning to you, man, with the Pokeball. French Toaster, my man. Spoon, howdy, how's it going? Good to see you, Ali Cotter. Dave Digital in here with the risk management. Oh, I love it. I love it, Dave. Thank you so much, Dave. You're top notch, bro. You're top notch. This could be a potential long in here, but I'd like to see confirmation, okay? R Pink, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, how's it going? Wolf and Bear, good morning to you. Wolf and Bear, it must be Canadian. I don't know. Shout out to the Canadians. You are lagging. Tony's Kitchen, you are wrong. Let's go. I doubled my money on gold from $9 to $23 on 100x leverage. That sounds very degenerate, but good job, man. Oh, I am lagging. Are you guys sure? The sound is not good. Running smooth. Are you guys messing with me or what? Hello. Alex O. Crypto. Check. You good. Okay. Good morning, Albino Rhino, Board PC. Good morning to you, man. You changed your picture, Board PC. Are you the man in blue? I'm blue, rabondito. Barefoot Sailing, good morning to you. We're good. Everything is fine. Fine as wine. Sound is good. Army Piper in the... Can I click you and go to your channel? Does this go to Piper Academy? No, it just goes to you. Yeah, unfortunate. I think we'll send everybody over to Piper Academy today. It's Friday, baby. Giver's gain. Piper is, he is family. So I guess we'll share the love always with, we love seeing people win, man. That's the thing. Sound is good. One Harmony. Good to see you, Paul Caruso. No issues on my end. Guess the carry trade. Piper, is the carry trade even happening? And if you guys don't know what the carry trade is, I shared it in the announcements today in the Discord, just so you're aware. So the Bank of Japan, people borrowing money. Okay, go over here in the announcement section and read this. I'm not going to read this for you. I ain't your dad, okay? But go and understand what's going on so that you can be informed and you can be aware of the carry trade. Basically borrowing cheap money to make money. Okay? There you go. Solved it. It's basically you paying only $30 for a membership and making a plethora of dollars with the membership, right? Futures markets are all down. Why are the futures markets down? Nasdaq's down? Hello? Hello, Nasdaq. What are you doing down here? It's moving. You guys tell me. We're just here to press buy and sell successfully. So we were looking for the liquidity sweep this morning, a little bit early for my liking. Okay, so now we're breaking down. Would have been a beautiful, beautiful short this morning. However, the number one rule in my rule book for my trading is definitely how are you feeling? Are you ready to trade? Your trading exchange should not be open on your computer unless you are dialed in. Okay, like how many times have you walked by and no trading on the friggin' phone? That's the last thing you should be doing. I'm sorry to all you people who are at work trading on your phone. I get it. But come on, man. You guys are going up against these algorithms and these robots, and you're going up against, Darren Does Things and Army Piper and Andrew Cameron. You got to go up against these guys, Joe Ruiz, Wayne C, Zena. They're going to take your money. You think you're going to do better than this? Okay, buy, sell. You may have some success, but you asking for it. In my experience. And on your computer, you shouldn't even have your exchange open unless you've been looking at the charts for at least 10, 15 minutes. How tempting is it to just, you're looking at it? Let's put on a trade. How tempting is it? Okay, you just look at your trading exchange. Oh, it's going down. Let's press sell. Let's just press sell. And it'll work. Trust me, it will work 3 times, and then that 4th time you'll be so underwater and you'll be so pissed off. I promise you that, man. Promise you that. So don't do it. Oh, man. Okay, I ain't your dad. My Bitcoin long call on chart hackers was done on my phone. Yeah, you're in trouble, Piper. I'll put you on a timeout as well. We got an inverse head and shoulders here. Or we got a head and shoulders here rolling over, looking to come down here on Market Cypher. Ooh, so we're looking around, right? We can see that. Oh man, this is a interesting day. Okay, so we're pretty fortunate if you're getting out of this week unscathed. That's my my verdict this week. Okay, if you look at this week, let's look at this week's price action. Okay, you guys have survived. Okay, very well. Look at this absolute shit show you got Trump coin, Bitcoin, rug show craziness. Okay, I'm Bob Ross in this thing. You have survived. You guys are incredible people, and I'm proud of you. If you still have your trading account, if you don't have your trading account, you can see why. You're probably over trading. And you know what? We were over trading at the beginning of this week. We recognized we were over trading, and guess what? We dialed it back down. Right? We dialed it back down. We took the long yesterday. We took another long, and we were done yesterday. Okay, so like this week we're positive. We're probably 70%, right? So it shows me that like typically we're about 85%. So if it's all the rookie numbers, right? It's all rookie. You want to have rookie numbers, right? You want to take A+ setups as much as possible. You don't want to be taking these like crazy amounts of trades. Nice bounce off of here, mitigation of the low. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. So, no, don't like it. But you want to be taking A+ setups, right? You don't want to be taking zip, zap, zip, ziggity, zip, zip, and wading through, and it's not going to be beneficial to you, your mental health, or your trading account at the end of the day. Okay, so we recognize that early because we were like 3 for 5, and then we were 2 for 3, right? And then we tapered down, right? 1 for 1 yesterday, a beautiful trade on the live stream. So recognizing those patterns early can actually save you a lot of money, which is something that I think we're doing pretty good here as a community. So thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. Mickey says, just want to say thanks. Joined the Discord 3 days ago and I have 5x'd my futures account. I've been trading a while, but you've made me profitable. Mickey, I'm going to steal this and put in our testimonials. Thank you so much, Mickey, for your $5 super chat. I mean, it's euros too, man. You're making me rich. God bless you, bro. I'm just happy we can help, man. Appreciate the kind words. Hey, do iPads and tablets count? It's a bit better. You got your computer's like driving the Lambo, okay? And then you're probably driving like a Ford, right? And then trading on your phone's like driving a Fiat. Okay? I don't know. You gotta do what's best for you though, man. If that's what works, that's what works. Just be very I'm executing trades on the phone, charting on the laptop or tablet. Okay. And it also, like, for me, I'm a scalper, right? So I'm pretty, like, in and out quick. How did you enter and how did you exit that so fast? I'm on my computer. Right? How did you get in and out of that trade so quickly? Well, your thumb missile buttons. I don't know. Unless you're really, like, I'm not of that generation who's, like, absolutely... I'm pretty quick on the phone, but I ain't like these kids these days. These kids these days, you know, they're just next level. So going into the day today, it's Friday. We had the Japanesey thing yesterday with the BOJ. Okay, that's fine. It seems like the market hasn't dumped yet or anything, so I think we're out of the woods. I'm not 100% sure, but I think we would have seen more of a reaction. Now, getting a little bit toppy on our daily. However, the weekly, this weekly, baby. Can we continue to push? Okay, this weekly, if we close positive here, confirming the green dot VWAP crossover, let's go, baby. Okay, the 3-day and the 2-day. We were talking about this. We got 10 hours on the 3-day. Okay, so we want to see a little bit of continuation up. The 2-day, we want to see a little bit of continuation up. Okay. The 12-hour, there's some hopium. Confirmed green dot push to the upside, okay? A little bit of hopium. And with the news yesterday, we are rolling over right now. Okay, should have taken that short. Didn't take the short. That's fine. We are with all the news yesterday. I mean, insane day, right? Insane day. So I keep saying let the dust settle, but the dust doesn't want to settle. It's like a freaking whirlwind out there. So I think we need to just try to participate, but with good risk management. I think that's the only thing we can do. The good thing is we can see the 4-hour money flows looking nice and smooth here. We can see that same with the 12, okay? We had very much an indecision money flow over the past, couple weeks. So this is a good sign. We'll see if it does continue to be a smooth criminal, okay? That's always a good thing. We got room on the 4-hour to the upside, room on the 3-hour to the upside. The 2-hour is getting overextended, VWAP crossover to the downside, and the 1-hour is very much rolling over. Okay, so this is what I see. You see this, right? Right. Even though money is coming in, VWAP's holding the 0 line. We need to see strengths. Okay, we want to see a stochastic hold here. But right now, rolling over, double top at the highs, and breaking some structure to the downside. So the trade was the short up at the top here, but you know what I mean. You cannot take trades unless you're ready to trade. And we were just starting our stream as this happened. And you know what? We were looking for it. But, we we started at 8 o'clock. We had 3 minutes to make this decision whilst doing an intro, right? So we don't take those trades. And that's the unfortunate part about streaming sometimes, is that you're not 100% dialed in, okay? So you got to be very picky. Breakdown, retest, continuation down here. So I'm looking for this area in here initially. VWAP's coming in quite nicely as well. We'll see how we react. That's a nice little, 0.5% move, 1% move all the way down. So looking pretty nice here on Bitcoin. We'll see if we do hold this level down in here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel. We just hit 6,000 subscribers yesterday. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being here on this crazy, wacky journey of streaming and hanging out with you guys and making money on the live, man. It's always a privilege. It's a privilege. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for the super chat, Mickey. God bless. And being part of the gang. Bored PC guy. I'm just holding spot and pretending the world is perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Coming down to these lows right now, first and foremost, trying to lose these lows, okay? We'll see how low can we go. How low can we go? Oh, man. Good morning to everybody. Make sure you guys got beat up badly on Monday. I'm positive now. Good. See, back on the horse. Back on the horse, right? It just, the market will continue to remind you to use a stop loss to manage your risk, right? If you're moving that stop loss, if you're over trading, you're gonna get humbled, right? It's just how it works, man. It's just how it works. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Tony Soprano, BPC, let's go. French Toaster, Lee in the chat. Zip Zap Ziggity is my favorite setup. I love that setup, man. It's quite profitable. So mitigating these lows in here, really breaking structure to the downside. If we do get an established low in here now, so break here. We get an established low. We can pull swing low or swing high to swing low and look for the fib retracement level for a continuation down, okay? Bitcoin rolling over. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for chilling, hanging out. It's Friday, baby. You guys are great. Massey, good morning, and the other gang. Puppy kept me up all night. Puppies will do that. So will children. Okay, big sweep down in here. Nice sweep. I like the sweep here. Let's see volume. Volume's coming in. This is a nice little bit of volume. Not an area that I'm interested in, but pushing through these lows, continuation down here. Looking in here. We'll see what we get. 104.6. 104.6 is key area we've marked out on our charts. Just looking for this thing to pop, baby. To pop, lock, and drop it. More ideally, I would like to see 103.6, okay? This is, golden pocket, 786 area with volume, order block. But looks pretty bullish right now. So we'll see how we react down in here, if we do get down here. Or if we do put in some structure here and look for a continuation back up, okay? Nice little pushback here. I made 10x on Fart Boy. And just bought some Fart Baby. I'm so done, man. Crypto Michael, man. Good morning to you. Hope you're doing well, brother. Thank you for being here. Dragonfly posted naked picture in Otter Talk. Uh-oh. Guys, come on. You guys are Sharkfin. What's going on? How is it that you understand all the yen's dynamics? Is it that just from a few years trading at open? I guess I don't understand all of it, but I do make it a priority to educate myself as I teach. I think it's because I've been teaching for so long that I get asked questions on things that are like, okay, you better know this. Otherwise, you shouldn't be teaching, right? So I think I spend an immense amount of time educating myself so that I can educate others. It's a bit of an obsession, I think, too. If I didn't love it, I wouldn't be doing it. Let's put it that way, okay? As a young man, I loved building shit. That's why I became a carpenter. Okay. My body started to say, "Hey, man, this is probably a bad long-term investment. The money's good. I got the hand skills and all that stuff. I got the cards, got all the tickets. I can build a house from scratch." There was like the ceiling, unless I wanted to start my own construction company, the ceiling was hit basically. As a tradesman, it would have to be, taking on the business side of construction, which is an absolute headache. Okay, I've done a lot of my own jobs, from spreadsheets, quotes, paying guys, the environment. People want something for nothing. Oh, bathroom renovation. You can do it for $2,000, right? Oh, yeah. We'll put a hole in the wall. You can pee in there. Anyways, but no, it's just the industry is it's a very rugged industry. Okay, the company you keep, right? So with trading and learning, it's always definitely it's always a responsibility, but I take pride in it, and I think it's important to try and educate the new people. Haha, no euro, rich man's currency. Good morning from Zambia. Awesome, man. Up for some gains. GGGs. Yeah, we took the long yesterday. That was pretty awesome. Laptops in the mail. Can't wait. Awesome. Young Scarface. Let's go, Father Time. Fiat will be worth it. I've paid many Discords, but this one is by far the cheapest and has the most value. It's honestly crazy. Great community too. Great, man. I'm glad you like it. Took a demo trade yesterday. Almost perfect. Good work, God. That's it. Demo trading is very respectable, man. I wish I demo traded when I started. But I traded a $1,000 account for almost a year. So, until I started flipping that $1,000 account, I turned profitable in 9 months in retrospect. But I was flipping that account. Yeah, within the first year and a half, I was flipping it. And I was like, okay, there's something working here. And then I started to add size. Okay, size comes after it. Paul Cruz says you're a ninja. CVO trading. What's going on, brother? I'm a phone warrior, bro. I think phone warrior trading is definitely if you're a swing trader and you have your critical entries and you got like a berth on your stop loss. Like for me, I'm a scalper, so it's not really it doesn't really work. Ever watch Mitch Ray? No, I haven't watched Mitch Ray. Good evening, CVO in the chat. Yeah, guys, go check out CVO Trading, man. An amazing trader as well. Kicking my ass in subscribers. He uses like bat signals and stuff. I love it. A great trader, man. Great trader. Go check him out. You'll learn a lot, man. Thank you for I'm not subscribed to you. What? Put on the little bell dingy thingy. Thank you, CVO. I'm surprised I'm not subscribed to you. I thought I was. See, I'm a bad friend. Thank you for being here, CVO. Nice volume surge in here. I mean, this is scam wickety. Okay, we could have taken the short at the liquidity at the top here. Didn't. We got to retest back into this trend line here. Not taking that. I'm not shorting this. This is not. Back into VWAP. Mitigation of the lows. Now, this is middle of the range stuff for me. Like if we're drawing the hot dog like we like to do, okay? Here's your range. We should have taken the bun trade up here. Okay. Keeping it simple. Good morning, Vietnam. Let's go. Jessica Kurosama, CVO Trading, French Toaster, all the absolute legends in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. CVO trading. You remind me of this guy I know. Usually wears a skirt because he's always got a schlong on. Oh man. So I do analysis in Tom Crown's Discord. I gotta show you guys the picture. So we were doing Power Rangers. Okay, you remind me of this guy I know. He usually wears a skirt because he's always in a schlong. So let's look. Okay, so CVO's the Green Ranger. We got we got Poppy as the Blue Ranger. Tom Crown's the Red Ranger. And I said, I want to be Kimberly, man. I want to be the hot pink Ranger. So you got me wearing my skirt because I'm always in a schlong. I'm always in a schlong, baby. I needed to hide the schlong, right? That's why they, you guys can get away with it, right? But if you're in a schlong like Alex O Crypto, you can't hide it, right? Like if you're, I shouldn't have done that. No filter on this live stream, man. This is funny, man. Everybody, you guys can leave if you do want to go. Oh, fuck. Look what you made me do, CVO. So unprofessional, man. So unprofessional. We were talking about this yesterday, how like people on crypto YouTube who trade, they try to like look good for the camera. And I was like, you're trying to look good for like 97% men. Is it Arnold Friday there? Who's your daddy and what does he do? Oh, man. Got to have a good laugh. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Wick 589. Good to see you as well. French Toaster, maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning to you guys. BC Port Corp. Crypto Michael, doing well, just home from the work trip. Thank you, Alex O Crypto, for making my morning drives informative. I hope you're having a little laugh. Don't look at the phone and Alex drawing schlongs on his Power Ranger picture, okay? Thank you, Crypto Michael. Guys, go check out Crypto Michael as well. Another channel. I think mining, great guy as well. Go check out Michael. I'm probably butchering your name, but just do it. BC Port Corp, good to see you. Wix Wife 589. Let's see some otters in the chat, man. We haven't done an otterly spam in a while. We used to just show up and spam the living beep out of people's channels all the time. Pimp myself out as a handy dude on the side. Wrist can't take it anymore. Yeah, see? Yeah. Wayne C, hopefully you got your sandwich. TV, good morning to you. Warren G, good morning to you. Maybe a Band-Aid. Really glad you got out of construction. They lose too many fingers. Yeah, the joke is rock, paper, scissors, table saw. That's the joke. That's the joke. Lucky Deal, good morning. Ernest, good to see you as well. Looking to get long. Yeah, I would like it for come down to VWAP and see what reaction we get down in here. Could have taken the retest back in here, back down. We were looking for the short up in here. So this was too early. This is too slow for me right now. Okay, so we wait. That's just how we are. I just, the nice sweep of the lows. This got bought up pretty quickly. We can see volumes peaking here. Half a position size today, friends. Like we're not trying to get wrecked. So it's Friday. We want to have some fun. We want to try and get into the trade favoring the long, but just in the middle of the range right now. Chopping around this 105 volume area. We'll see what happens. A little patience will prevail, I think. What's your bottom indicator? It's we got chart prime oscillator in here, which I teach for. I teach for these guys. It's a RSI with a couple of other things. Okay, you got like volume in here. You got its own money flow. Got this Mag 7 thing. I like this Mag 7 thing in the background. It clips and stuff like that. You can see the green clipping back here, but yeah, it's not bad. And then we're sponsored by Market Cypher. It's the main indicator I use every day. And then, everything else. VWAP. I was requested to put Chart Prime on here, so I have put it on here. I typically don't need it. I typically don't need an oscillator, but if I'm going to use one, it's typically Market Cipher. Maybe a Band-Aid board PC guy. Good morning. Phone scalping is horrible. Absolutely. Good to see you, 913. Tony Soprano, good to see you as well. Utter disregard, good to see you. Otter's in the chat. Let's go. Some serious people with Photoshop. It's Friday already. I know, right? You guys like my Kimberly was hot, man. In my Power Rangers, Kimberly from Power Rangers, man. I was like, I don't know how old. What year was Power Rangers? Power Rangers. What year was it? 2. It's morphin' time. $1993 it came out. But when was the good one? When was the good one? What year was it? With the Green Ranger and the flute, man. That was the best. 93. Okay. Yeah, man. I was 3 in 93. I was born in 90. So I mean, I was the Blue Ranger one year, then I was the Green Ranger another year. I have the flute still. It's somewhere in this house. I know I just hit your childhood memories, man. I know I just hit it. But Kimberly was hot, man. She was like my crush, you know, my first crush. Kimberly, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and Christina Aguilera. Come on. 90s kids, baby. Let's go. Best $5 I've ever spent. Let's go. How can I recover from a 400 USD loss in this week, man? I'm stunning. Vitor Lima, your number one job as a trader is to manage your risk, okay? You'd be risking 1% of your account per trade. Okay? And if that's not sufficient to you, then, go make some more money and build up your trading account. You need to be managing your risk. You can't be over... Kyle talks about it as your gas money to get to work. This is your gas money. You're going to spend it if you get to work. Okay? This is the money you're going to make. But this is a non-negotiable. It has to be, right? Half a position size. You need to know that before you even think about trading. Okay? There's lots of videos on position size. There's calculators. Okay? All these things are so important. You must use them. Swear jar plus 10. Alex said fuck. Oh. We gave up on the swear jar, okay? We thought, you know what? I'm going to swear. I'll try my best. Do you have a coffee today or just tea? I brought the biggest mug in my... It's big, okay? That's what she said. I knew you were all thinking it, so I said it for you, okay? Not as bad as Randy butchering his name for 3 years. Okay, flagging out here, symmetrical triangle. Hate them. Okay, so we wait. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, hanging out with us. 96 was the year. Yeah, so I was 6 years old. Yeah, that was... Power Rangers was never good. Tony Soprano's old. He's a Thundercats kid, I bet. Thundercats, Tony? Wu-Tang? Wu-Tang? You just woke up and watched Wu-Tang. Is that a gun in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me, Dave? Good selection of crushes. Thank you. Thank you. Well, who was the 90s? Who was the 90s crushes? Come on. Let me know in the chat. Who? Kelly from Save from the Bell? Okay. Number one thing as a trader is to preserve capital. Absolutely. Absolutely. Was a crane operator. Cool, man. Boom in, boom out. Down slowly. Up slowly. Okay. Yeah. Good times, man. I worked industrial formwork too, so I love my crane guy, man. You always keep your crane guy happy. You get your shit early. That's it. Concrete days, every days. Good to see everybody in here, man. Awesome. 330 people in here. 102 likes. F the swear jar. Yeah, I agree. Fuck it. We don't need a swear jar. Even Kelly says that. Yeah. I mean, if you're just being a potty mouth, there's a difference, right? Sometimes it's used to amplify the power of the words. I hate, there's people who are like, they don't have a brain cell and they use the F word because they can't think of the next word they want to say. And you all know that person, right? That just this, effing this, and effing this, effing. And it's almost like they use it as a buffer because their brain is so slow that they don't know how to speak correctly, right? So they'll say the F word while they're buffering, right? Those people. We all know one of them, right? Or we all grew up with one of them. So check the PIC, please. I'm scared. In Otter Talk? I'm looking in Otter Talk. I don't see it in Otter Talk. Is it in Family Chat? I don't see it in Otter Talk. Michael? I got the Discord on the right. The best Discord, the cheapest Discord in all of crypto. I mean, $30 a month, $1 a day, 4 traders, all helping you get profitable. You guys are absolute degens, so I love it. I don't see the naked picture, Michael. It's not in here. You got myself. You got Brewberry. You got Kyle. You got Thesis. He's swinging, baby. He's swinging. He's a swinger, and he's got COVID. I hope he feels better. Hope he feels better, man. That's never... The vid, man. He's got the vid. Buy Bitcoin. Wild Berry says buy Bitcoin with the Kimberly picture. Is that Kimberly? I don't think that's Kimberly. She's too modern, man. That's a modern Kimberly. Buy Bitcoin, baby. That's way too modern. Way too modern. I like the old one with the like Zordon. You know Zordon? Bryan Cranston. How could they do that to Walter White? Make him Zordon. That's horrible. I haven't even watched the new one. I just know he was Zordon. Can't handle his realness. Cameron Diaz was okay. Yeah, and like Something About Mary back in the day. Oh, buddy. Jennifer Aniston, obviously Friends. That's good. Pamela, yeah. Have you seen Pamela now? She's all like woo woo, spiritual and stuff now, wearing no makeup and stuff. And I'm like, oh, that Botox and those fake boobies didn't work out for you too well, did it, there, honey? How about Trish Stratus from the WWF? Trish Stratus, WWF. If you know, you know. How about that? How about that? Easy now. Shout out to the trucking and shipping folks. Yeah, we love those people, man. You feed us. We love food, especially in this live stream. We love food. We love trading. This is stalling out. This is some... We got double bottom in here. No... Taking a trade here is over trading. This is... We got a sweep at the lows, bounce over here, bot up here. Okay, this looks like rolling over. Right? Even if we got short here, this is not... Yeah, this is not ideal, in my opinion. It's in Otter Talk. I'm scrolling up. I don't see it. You have to share it again, my friend. Just share it again. Good to see you, Alexandra G. Good to see you. Mark Dutch in the chat. Thank you for being here. Thank you to all the mods. We're going to do a mod stream next week. We're going to do all the trading profits and all the Super chats are going to go to the mods. I think we'll do it next Friday. Okay. So I'm going to have a very negative day. I'm going to just degen trade all day. And all the money will go to the mods. That's the plan. Jennifer Love Hewitt. Let's go. Okay, Tony in here. What's going on, Tony? You dropping alpha? Rashad, good morning. Jesse, good luck. Young Scarface. Pam Anderson. Okay. Jean-Claude Van Damme. Let's go. Wendy from Wonder Years. Okay. What's Soprano saying? Is Soprano got the goodies? Kelly Bundy. Okay. What else do you got, Soprano? You guys are bad. Behave yourselves. Alexandra G, don't mind us. I'm just appealing to the 97% of men in here. All the ladies in there, I do apologize. Maureen, I'm sure you're out there. Andy, I'm sure you're out there. Jeanette, Melissa. It's crazy because I can name off the ladies who come to the chat. So thank you, ladies, for being here and putting up with us. Degenerate. Dirty men. Stacy Kibler. Oh man, you guys are on it now. So if you're in the minus, we have to pay you. Yes, exactly. If I lose on the day, then you guys have to pay me. Okay? For being I mean, you guys get free membership, but I just want to reward you even more. You guys are amazing. I love the mods, and you guys are amazing. Puppies. Oh, my God. Hillary Duff. Really? Shakira. Okay. Shakira Fire, yeah. You guys are hilarious, man. If my wife could see this chat right now, she'd... He's talking about the chart he posted. This one? Yeah. Symmetrical triangle. I hate symmetrical triangles, bro. If we're breaking down, we're coming down here. If we're breaking out, we're probably going to 120,000. I don't think that's happening today. I like it, though. Thank you, everybody, for being here. What is your range to open a long position? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Mila Kunis. Oh, man. Stop it, guys. You guys got to behave yourselves, man. You're out here just being misbehaving, man. Mila Kunis, back in the day. Poor Ashton Kutcher, man. He stole your girl. Oh, man. It's a BTC setup, bro. No nudes. Okay. We'll see if we do break out of that. That'd be cool. Why don't you use the 4 minutes? One day has 1,440 minutes. If you divide that by 360, circle has 360 degrees. You get the 4 minutes. Think cycles. One day, 365. I love it, Mickey. That's some good stuff, man. That's some good stuff. I just glaze over when we talk like this, says Wick's wife. See? Wick's wife in the chat. Thank you so much for being here, wifey. We appreciate you. Oh, man. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Sorry, ladies. To be honest, crypto chicks are brainy and hot AF. There you go. Slam Banjo, dropping compliments. Slam Banjo, you're awesome, man. Thank you for being kind. And thank you, everybody, for being here. Getting a little push-up here. Market open in 40 minutes. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over. We had a nice push-up from NASDAQ. Bitcoin trading very similarly to NASDAQ lately. Okay, so keeping our eye on the price. NASDAQ continues to roll over. S&P, nice push up here yesterday evening. Okay, maybe in anticipation for that carry trade. Total 3, looking for expansion, looking to get out of here. Bitcoin dominance, double top. Okay, so we like this as well. Dominance here. I want to see this low lost here on dominance to see some of these altcoins take off. We can see Solana's getting a nice move. Even Ethereum, okay? We were saying Ethereum's got to go, man. It's got to go. And Ethereum is going off of the lows here. Nice push out for ETH. Hitting some resistance on the way up here, but this could be the one. ETH could go, baby, over the weekend. And Solana, a big push up here for Solana, Bobana, FIFA, Solana, Lana, Long. Okay, so some rotation into some altcoins. My friends, Rune down 21%. Look at this thing yesterday. Absolutely died. Okay, Rune is in the gutter. Okay, look at this thing on the weekly. We are in bear market territory. If you believe in Rune, this is your buying level. 4x to the highs, okay? Just saying, Bitcoin pushing up here. Okay, bottoming structure in here. If we make a higher high here, we can definitely be looking for a continuation. Let's get rid of this trend line. Okay, we got higher low here. We want to see this high mitigated first and foremost. Then we can look for a retest back in. Okay, no trade yet. Just being patient, waiting here. We'll see if we do get something along the lines of mitigation of the high. Push up, retest, either a swing fail or a higher low and continuation back up, okay? Looking to target those all-time highs, liquidity up in here at 106 and then up into 108. We do have a giant order block above us. Bam, there it is. Okay, that we are looking to work our way into, but we got some resistance in front of us initially, okay? So if this, then that, just try to be patient here, seeing what the price will give us today. VWAP is below us. I'm more interested in lower. Okay, we'll see if we do get that. We have created quite a bit of liquidity on the way up here, not really giving back much of the gains. Okay, if we are looking at this in general, pretty much, pushing up, coming back. That's sufficient for market structure, but this in here I really don't like. So I typically look for this to be retested back in here around 103,600 if we get there. Okay, that's if we get there. But liquidity within these lows here, not really revisiting as of yet. This is a big move for no retracement, right? You got almost, 2% in here. So that's the target. If we do come in, we got a couple buy levels down below. We'll see if we do come into those levels. But for now, looking strong. However, the thing is here is that you are making higher highs in here, right? And then now you've swept the high in here, so you've mitigated the high in here. And typically you do break down off of something like this. You can see this rolling over. Okay, but you are seeing some strengths come in on these lows here, trying to get bought up. So patience, right? Patience will prevail. But if you're going off of like divs and stuff, right? If you're making bearish divergence, I typically look at where the divergence is started, and then you're looking back into here. So your minimum target is here from where your divs actually started on your oscillator. So that's just always like a reference point. Whenever I'm looking at divergences, I look for it to return back to where it started. I don't know, maybe it'll work for you. It helps with me targeting areas and then finding key levels of support and resistance within those areas to possibly take the trade in the opposite direction, okay? But yeah, cooling off here on the 24. We have some room on the 3 and the 4 hour, but the 1 hour is looking a little bit toppy right now. We're going to see here at 9 o'clock in 5 minutes whether this thing breaks to the downside. So far, this is a pretty negative candle, so we can anticipate the confirmation of this red dot and the rollover of money flow and VWAP. Okay, so we can front run with Market Cipher based on what this candle looks like in order to predict what this candle looks like, therefore giving us kind of a foreshadowing into the future, right? We can base our knowledge off of what this candle looks like and when the close is coming, which is in 5 minutes on this hourly, and then we can actually have some prediction. Okay, and that is a very good way of using Market Cipher, allowing you to forecast potential moves and time. Okay, time is the hardest, but predicting with the candle is very useful. Okay, going into here, we're getting a little pushback, looking for that higher high and continuation back up. Okay, mitigation of the low. This is typically where we're looking for the fib that we just talked about. So if this is an established low, we can now look for a rejection off of our golden pocket 786 area. Okay. And look for this continuation to the downside. This is a possible trade setup that I do like to take quite often, but it's obviously price has to come into here and confirm some sort of toppiness. Okay. And then we take the trade. And you can always do this as soon as you see kind of an established low and it makes a higher high. That's when you can pull this fib and take advantage of possibly this move, right? If this is our key buy area, well, how do we get to that buy area using good risk management and our trade setup, right? And that's how I would do it here. We'll see if we do get the opportunity to get short here. A little bit of patience and we'll see how it goes. This is looking like it wants to push back up. The thing is that volume came in to push price back up here. So this does concern me in the sense that, hey, there's buyers here present, not allowing price to come down to our key level that we were anticipating. So could we just roll over from here, failing to make a higher high right now? Very possible, right? Low price action, no market open yet, right? 857. So we remain patient here. That's basically all you can do, right? Unless you want to force a trade, which is never a great idea. I think the best thing here, you can see decreasing volume on the push down, right? Symmetrical triangle, which I absolutely despise, which is a 50-50 pattern, up or down, right? So I don't participate in these things, man. If you want a good example of why you don't, we can go to the ETH BTC chart. Okay, we'll go to our Bitcoin pairs. We'll go to ETH BTC here. And what do you see here? We see a storm of a symmetrical triangle. Okay, you get the fake out to the upside. Oh, we're going to the moon, right? Not. Breaks down. Now we're going to the moon. This is juicy. This looks like an ETH breakout, okay? We were talking about this. This is typically privy to those who are in the Discord. But we're talking about a bull flag and a breakout for Ethereum. Why? Because Solana did it, okay? Solana, okay, you can see here over the weekend, okay, Solana was in a downtrend, and then it broke out of this downtrend, it flagged out, and just before it went to absolute Valhalla, all-time highs, you had a chance to take the breakout of the flag on your ETH BTC pairs, and then it went to the moon. Could this happen for ETH? 1, 2, let's go over to ETH. 1, 2. Okay. Just giving you guys a little bit of insider information because you guys deserve it. It's Friday, baby. Hopefully we've given you some hopium. If ETH can go, we'll maybe we can make some beautiful money on this pump, okay? Xander, thank you for being here. Dusty Hunt, good to see you as well. Terry Pacoma, good to see you. Slam Banjo, Wixway 589, Rashad, Retro Mike Tech, thank you for giving away 60 ADA yesterday. Thank you, Billy Go Tails, for giving away the chapter NFTs. I gave away the $250 to the winners as well. So thank you guys so much for being part of the Discord and hanging out with all of us in here. Melissa's in the chat. What's going on? Orlando, good to see you as well. Slam Banjo, Spoon, Stragaheart, good to see you. Jonah Perez, good morning. Good to see you as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Paul Caruso, RIP Rune, absolutely. Bored PC guy. We're talking about childhood crushes, but I get the point. Let's see. Rashad, grateful always. Good to see you. Jay Violet, good to see you as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Brandon, Paul, Wick 589, Spoon BC, Port Corp, man, Lunar Beaches, Crypto Gang. Good to see you in here as well. David Brumbelow, thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel as well. Retro Mike Tech, my man. Lunar Beaches, maybe a Band-Aid. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Thank you guys so much for being on the live. If you are new here, we're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Absolutely crushing it. Good morning, Buck. Good to see you, brother. We do have 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Monday to Friday. Yeah, and we do have an amazing Discord full of like-minded traders. $1 a day, the best, cheapest, super duperest Discord with 4 traders helping you become profitable. If you do want to take your trading further and you do want some amazing setups and amazing people, smart money concepts, momentum traders, scalp traders, Bitcoin traders, altcoin trades, you name it, live streams, you get it all here for a very, very affordable price. Because guess what? We're traders and we make our money. You guys are posting naughty things in my you guys are going to go get in trouble for this stuff. I will put you in a timeout posting naughty things in the Discord. We also like to have a lot of fun, okay? Because trading is hard and you got to have a giggle, okay? Stalling out here. Bitcoin doesn't know which way it wants to go. Let's take a bet. Up or down? Everybody, who thinks it's going to go up and who thinks it's going to go down? I'm going to vote up. I'm going to vote up to the golden pocket. What do you guys want to vote? Let's gamble a little bit here and let's see where we're going to go. I'm voting up. Put a 1 in the chat for up. Put a 2 in the chat for down, down, down. I think up, then down. Up, then down. Okay, symmetrical triangle BS here. We'll see if it does want to break out. Let me know in the chat. Up, up, up. Okay. On things. What's going on? Lunar Beach's crypto. Everybody saying up, up to down. I like Tengu. He is contrarian. Let's go. I'm going to put the music on. I have to pee like a racehorse because I've drank so much coffee. It's crazy. Like a racehorse. I promise I'll wash my hands. And I promise I'll put on some music as they go and take a tinkle. Okay? I'll be right back. Did I get more coffee? Absolutely.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Oh my God, price hasn't moved. Price hasn't even moved, man. That was the quickest P known to man. Up. Yep, seasonality. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Oh, we're going down. See? This is why you don't gamble. This is why you don't gamble. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Trying to turn upwards. Yeah, I agree, David Brumbelow. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. Father Time, wash your hands. Just pee out the window. Okay. Some smiley faces in here. What's going on? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out on the live. You guys are... Thanks, Rashad. Rashad and Mark Dutch, man, you guys are best friends. See? This is why you don't do it. This is why you don't go long here. I said long, and guess what? I was wrong. Coming down into our area now. Oh, nice. Okay. Coming down in here. This is where we wanna be, baby. Come on. Come into VWAP, baby. Come see Papa Otter. Come see Papa Otter. I don't know what's gotten into me, man. I applied to be a doorman, but I didn't get the job due to lack of experience. That surprised me. I thought it was an entry-level position. No? Did we do okay there? I like this sweep here. I like the sweep. Getting bought up again. Lunar Beach is crypto. Ba-doom. Yeah, that's the one, right? We wait, green box. All in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, hanging out with me. We are at 300 and holy smokes, 312 people on the live stream. 130 likes. Let's see if we can get up to 200 likes today. That would be pretty cool. I'd appreciate that. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. We're live every morning trading this crazy ass Bitcoin every single day. We just hit 6,000 subscribers. So thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel and hanging out here. I do appreciate you. Hopefully, we can make lots of money together. That's the plan. We've been pretty successful this week. Overtraded a little bit, but we took the long yesterday. So it's been a good one. It's just environment, right? Overtrading. Everything looks juicy. Everything is moving. You just want to press buy and sell, and you need to be able to have restraint and definitely look for your A+ setups. That's going to be the difference between a profitable week and a break even or negative week. So be careful out there, you guys. Profits is normally up at 40 something. In this poll, we do this poll every Friday. We can see that some people are getting wrecked and people don't want me to even ask, meaning they're probably a lot more than wrecked. Okay, nice bounce out of here. We'll see if we do continue out. We can possibly looking for a long here. Not trying to definitely, bull div coming. Yeah, we would get a bull div off of this if. See, I'm not seeing a buy up. Very slow. This is very slow. Look at the environment we're in and why is this so slow, right? So I wait. Especially when we have a critical level below us that we are interested in. Why would we take, this, which it can play. Right? We do have volume coming in here on the push down, but not on the push up. Yeah, not for me. The thing that negates my idea of going long here is the fact that we have broken this low. Okay, so higher, Okay, so we've come down and we've broken this low. It took strength to break this low. The market maker wouldn't have done it if it didn't want to. Doesn't mean we don't pop and then drop. It's just, for me, this is risky, especially when we're interested in these lows. Okay, just explaining my thought pattern here, just so you guys can, I don't know, maybe get something out of there. That's better. 150 likes. Thank you guys for pressing like. I know you guys are all trading on your phones, so you got to press back, and then you got to press like, and then you got to go back into the chat, and it's a pain in the ass. But thank you for doing that. Bull div coming. Oh, what is the zone that reacts? Yeah, that's the key, right? What's going on, Lunar Beaches, man? Hopefully you're having a great week. Rules are rules. Patience will prevail. That's it. Trading is waiting. That's how we roll. Look at the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average on the daily, and that'll explain it. I look at the moving averages sometimes, Brumbelow. It's not something that's really in my repertoire, I guess you'd say. Is the 50 up there? I see the 200 is way. Oops, I don't want to be moving those levels. Lock your levels. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a pushback here. The 200 Where is our 200? I'd have to. Brown line. I can't see it. Maybe I'm blind. Way down here. Way down here. Okay. Way down here. 50. Where's the 50? Let's turn on our 50 here. Let's get rid of our areas so we can see. So 200 is here. 50 is this other brown line. Okay, so we're way up here. 100,000, 50. Okay. On the daily. Yeah, just moving average has never really done it for me. I don't know why. I see a lot of people have success with them. I'm never downplaying them. I'll whip out mostly a moving average in an aggressive trending market. That's when I'll typically use it. So if we're ripping to the upside and I want to get on something like this, it's like 15-minute, 21, 9. The 9, the 21, and the 55 EMAs is something I will look at. Just for when, the alligator mouth opens and you look for the continuation off of this, right? And return, the crossover, the return. But not something I use that often. I'm aware of them. I've taught some of it, but that's why I use VWAP. VWAP is kind of my moving average on my time frame, which totally works for me. And you're always going to find something that you develop a relationship with. This is the thing with trading is you're going to, whether it's an oscillator, whether it's a moving average, a VWAP, whatever it is, vector candles, you're going to develop a relationship where you come to trust it. And that's priceless because you see it before, you've used it before, you know how to manage your risk around it. You press buy and sell and you make money. Okay? When you find an edge in the market, you don't typically want to give people your edge, okay? I give you guys a lot of my secrets, but there's certain edge that I've developed over the years of trading, being focused, that I've seen it so many times that I don't even think about it. I press buy, I make money, or I press sell, I make money. And I manage my risk around it. There's certain setups I know that are like 90% hit rates. Okay, yes, we manage risk in all those situations, but I can put on size, I can put on a little bit more. Not necessarily the trading I'm doing live. I'm trying to take the best setups I can live with you guys, but it's definitely, if you have an edge in the market, you typically don't share it because you don't want anybody to steal it, but secondly is that it becomes a relationship that you can trust, right? And it's priceless because it makes you money, right? And I share everything that I know, but it's for you to spend the time in the charts to develop a relationship with the tools that you use in order to develop an edge in the market and have it make you money, right? I mean, if you're not doing that, you're giving yourself a disadvantage because there's people who have edges in this market and they don't share them. I try to share everything with you guys, but you're not going to develop that unless you're in the charts, and that takes time. This is such fucking good coffee today, and I will swear about that. You guys see me yesterday. I think I was like a quarter energy yesterday, so... NIN will be in Vancouver August 10th. You game to go? I'm not in Vancouver. I'm in Toronto, Pollo. Good to see you, man. Thank you for giving away that NFT yesterday, man. I appreciate you. Oh, Crypto Pollo, the chicken. Let's see the chickens in the chat from Mr. Pollo. Thank you for your generosity yesterday, brother. God bless, man. I've never traded on my phone. I sound like RFK right now. Make American healthy again. Red dye. This is a good push here. I like this. We do have 15 minutes till market opens. Okay, we do have a little bit of news today. I was looking. We got caught offside the other day. So existing home sales, guys. Don't ask. I don't know. Supposedly important. Today at 10 a.m. So at the end of the stream, watch for those home sales, okay? Nice push in here. Like I said, I want to see the break is structured. Look at this. Equal highs in here. Okay, there's no structure break to justify a long trade. Okay, so now, I mean, imagine you took a trade in here and you're just, this is just shit, really. It's just, you're sitting in here, right? In your trade. Probably praying, right? Your emotional roller coaster. I want to take a trade that moves, right? And it's not easy to get into those, but I don't want to sit through this, man. This is horrible, in my opinion. I'll look for 3 drives now. So look for one more drive down in here. Bam, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Into market open. Gonna give me my money. Gonna give me my money. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. 330 people here. 160 likes, man. You guys are incredible. Come over and hang out with us in the Discord. Would love to have you. We have a free section. If you just want to come over and talk a bunch of smack and hang out with us, that's great. If you do want a membership, it's right over here. $1 a day, 4 traders, 8 group coaching calls, support channels, all that good stuff. Watch the video, full schedule, all that good stuff. The best, cheapest Discord in all of crypto, guaranteed. I don't even have to try and compete with people, man. It's it does its own job. Amazing people, amazing testimonials, a great group of people. The gang. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. It's good fun, man. If you just want to come by and hang out and trade Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eventually, I'm only going to do this live trading in the Discord, and then I'll trade live after. That's the plan. So eventually, I'm warning you guys now, I'm going to do market open in the Discord, and then we can do a live stream after. But we'll stay on. We'll stay on for now. I'm not going to tell you when I'm going to do that, but I'm just letting you know. The Discord people will get the live stream, and we'll take the trades together, and we'll make lots of money. You guys are like, man, what a douche canoe. All right, pushing up here, looking to break this high in here. Nice push for Bitcoin. 200 moving average is great. Did Jesse say monthly VWAP again? Did he do it? Did he do it? Trump want attack. Well, that's no good, man. Trump wants to attack anybody. I mean, the guy's like a fart in a colander. He doesn't know which hole to go out of. That's what my grandmother would say. Yeah, so David Brumbelow charts on his computer, and then he's able to trade on his phone. Yeah. And he knows his levels, okay? That's some experience. Trump getting compressed by downward trading and VWAP into Russian roulette. Okay, Kelly, I appreciate how calmly you trade. Some YouTubers are so intense and loud, too hyped up. Your stream keeps my dogs chilled out too. Kelly, thank you for being here and being part of the gang. I thought I was over the top sometimes, but we wait. Trading is waiting. We are about to run hard for the next 1 to 2 months, and then it will be over. I would love, like, honestly, I'm so ready to sell. Like, let it happen. Push to the moon. Let me sell in March and relax all summer long into the Bitcoin conference, into my trip in July to England. Please, I don't mind, man. I'm ready to sell. Get rid of all this degeneracy cryptocurrency in my portfolio. Crypto is made for selling, baby. Bitcoin, you nambe pamby. Yeah, nice bounce out of here, guys. Nice bounce. Too slow. Okay, trying to break this high here. We'll see if we do get above there. Man, hate that chart. Looks like Putin. On the small time frame, it's testing the 618, the 21, 200, and the trend line. You guys got lines everywhere, man. It's like a college party. Like a college party. Man, hate that chart. LBC trigger wave forming on the 24, are we? Hey, don't tease me like that. Let's go. Let's go. 24 minute. You know I love my 24 minute, man. This is the guide. The guide. Not there yet, man. You still got maybe 2 candles left. So you got 40 minutes. 40 minutes to kind of make a decision. I like this. Look at the curvature on VWAP, baby. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. This 1 hour is concerning. Look at the 1 hour confirmed, right? Pointing down, VWAP crossover to the downside. Remember we talked about at the beginning of the stream how you can forecast where it's going to go because of the candle in front of it. Okay, the candle printing. This is a nice hammer candle so far. So far. Doesn't necessarily mean we're out of the woods. Bitcoin pushing back up here, trying to get above this high. I don't mind this. This could be a trade here. We got 8 minutes till market open. NASDAQ has pushed back up, okay, coming up to the highs in here. Looking strong. Topping out at these highs. So NASDAQ continues to push. The S&P, we'll see if we do get a little bit of a gap up. I would say a tiny one this morning. And then a retrace back in, and then a continuation possibly. That's what my prediction would be, not looking at the ES. We'll see. V-shaped recovery here on NASDAQ, though. Nothing yet on Bitcoin. Okay? Volume is good. Price action is not. Okay? So we wait. We wait. You do get a little retest back in here. I would definitely be looking for the long. You get something like that. Look for the higher low continuation out. That could be the one. Or we're going to roll over here. We wait. We wait. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me all week. It's been a wild, wild week. You guys are surviving just alongside me, and hopefully we can make some money together. We took the long on that breakout yesterday on the live stream. That was quite incredible to everybody that was there. We got gypped on the retest yesterday, so it pushed out. We hated the mitigation of the low in here, this little sweep. Then we were looking for the retest continuation. It didn't come to our key level. We missed it by a bit. Then we were able to take the breakout trade and continuation, making lots of money yesterday. So, I mean, at the end of the day, we were looking for the long. We were looking initially for the sweep of this low and then the bounce. Didn't happen. Then we were looking for the retest continuation. Didn't hit our 618 retracement level. Then we took the breakout retest. There was a wick that came back into the highs in here, and we took the long off of that and made our money. Okay, so we did get on the train eventually. It took patience and 3 attempts, but we did get on. You know, we got on the caboose yesterday rather than the front of the train, which sometimes you have to do. But we made lots of money, so that was a great trade yesterday. Hopefully you all had fun. That was a big ass pump and then a big ass dump. So hopefully you moved your stop loss like we were talking about during the whole live, and then you got stopped out, and then you probably re-entered, or you re-entered here. But a little wild day yesterday. I hope today's a little bit more calmer just for our mental health. But you never know. Bitcoin's crazy. You know, someone could tweet something on their little Tweety Bird phone, and you never know. Oh, Schaefer's doing the quiz again. If you are in our Discord, this is part of the free section. He always posts a quiz. You guys can learn about leverage, about trading, and then you can go and answer it in his free trading section as well. So Schaefer's been the sheriff of the mods from day one. You You can thank him for the Discord, and you can thank him for me doing this live stream, because without Schaefer, I think I'd be pretty much lost, man. So God bless you, Schaefer. Love you, bro. And he's posted a quiz, so go and answer the quiz and the quiz questions, and get educated, man. That's what it's all about. This looks like it wants to go now. Nice push up here. Go into here. Let's take a look at market cipher. So we got that trigger wave on the 24 forming. We just got a new candle. That looks quite juicy. Okay, nice push in here. Trigger wave. 15-minute. View up crossover to the upside. The 12 as well. Green dot. But running a green dot. Lots of bullish things. Lots of bullish. Oh, man. I want to take it. But we got 3 minutes till market opens. 3 minutes till market open. We can wait 3 minutes for a trade. You may not be able to. That's okay. I understand. Remember, you are in charge of your own destiny. This is not financial advice. You can press buy and sell however the hell you please. I ain't your father. I got a kid already. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 362 people in here, 170 likes. I think we can do a little bit better. We are growers and showers. We just hit 6,000 subscribers. If you are new here, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. We're live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Just waiting in here. Let's see. Here's the push. Coming for that high like we've been talking about now. Which is good. This is good. This is good. So we're sweeping that high now, which is a good move. See if we come into that golden pocket and get rejected. Golden pocket has moved down a smidge because of this new low. So you would take this low now from low to here, right? So this box has moved down a little bit. Okay. Taking that high here, looking for the retest back into this zone now. So we're looking for this to come into here. Half a position size. I do want to protect myself below view up. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 2 minutes till market open. NASDAQ continues to push here, okay? S&P looking for that gap up continuation. NASDAQ continuing to fly here. Bitcoin and NASDAQ very similar lately, so NASDAQ's good confluence. 0.5% already. Pretty wild. No crazy FUD on Twitter yet. Don't forget to touch grass this weekend. You know you got to, right? You got to touch that grass, recharge that battery every weekend. Saturday is family day for me. Got to spend time with the family. Actually, it's the main reason why I started trading is because I wanted to spend time with my wife and my son. Priorities, right? Build the life you want. Have a plan and execute the plan. I'm very fortunate to be able to spend time with them. If I was working construction, that wouldn't be eat, sleep, work, baby. That's construction. All right, market is open. Did we gap up? Very little gap up, okay? So we were right about the gap. Looking for the retest back in here on the gap. Mind the gap, okay? Little gap up here. Look for the continuation here on our S&P. NASDAQ opening up, positive, continuing to push. Bitcoin retracing back in. Okay, we wait here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Let's see if this market does want to give us something to look at today. Not a heck of a lot. I mean, the short at the top, right when we started the stream, didn't take it too early. Not ready. Was ready for the trade, but not ready to take the trade, so we didn't. Okay, stalling out here, little close above. So we are looking for some sort of reaction down within this area down here. We'll see if we get it. Most likely would like to take the trade down here. Okay, so we wait. Trading is waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. Good times, good times. Always a good time here. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys. Rolling over a little bit here for Bitcoin. Same with the NASDAQ. S&P continuing to push. Okay. Coming back down. Grabbing some of the late longs. Late longs getting wrecked. Little bounce out of here. No trade yet. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. We do have some building news at 10 a.m., so be prepared for that. Trigger wave on the 24. Look at Sol. And not these shit coins. The Rob side. Yeah, Sol's doing all right. Yeah, looking like it's breaking out. CBCD. CBDC. Yeah, denying that CBDC. That's the key. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Okay, rolling over right now. Let's see if we do get 9 Inch Nails, baby. I know who 9 Inch Nails is. Coming into our VWAP here. Big rejection. Look at that. Good patience here, guys. Good patience. Nice bounce. Good patience. This is why we did not take the long here. Will it hold? No trade yet. Lots of liquidity below us as well. Okay. Rolling over here, the mitigation of that low. Remember, we're not taking that long here because we have taken this low. Breaking structure to the downside. Looking for a continuation into our key area in here. Okay, grabbing the liquidity in the lows here. Coming into VWAP. Let's see if we get a bounce out of here. No stab yet. We're just waiting. Just waiting. I want to see a reaction here. I'd like the reaction and then the higher low. That would be ideal here. Big rollover here for Bitcoin. Okay. NASDAQ continuing to push. S&P coming back down. Okay. Nice little bounce in here. No trade yet. Okay. Possibly taking a stab here. Just wait. I like that bounce out of here. I like the bounce out of here. This could be cheap. I'm going to take a stab here. Very cheap trade. Just stop loss under VWAP underneath the wick here. See if we do bounce out of here. Nice push. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to go. You got to go, man. Push. Got to get back up into these lows. Looking a little weak. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Looking a little weak here. Got to go. Still looking weak. We're still in it. We're in it right now. We'll see if we do continue up here. If we don't push up into these highs up in here, I'm probably going to take it off, okay? Come on, Bitcoin. You got to go. You got to go. Nice push. Nice push. Come on, Bitcoin. Retested the lows again. Second try. Nothing. Second try, nothing. It's got to push. Where's that 24-minute trigger wave, everybody? Stalling out here. Failure to break above. I'm considering closing this break even right now. Not yet. Push. Gotta go. Last candle chance right here. This is the last chance for this candle. We'll see what this candle does. Gotta push out of here. I like this push. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. You gotta go. I'm going to take half off here. I'm going to put stop loss to entry. I don't like this. Stop loss to entry, half off here. If it goes, it goes. If not, whatever. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I like the bounce out of here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're in it. Well, I guess that candle went. I guess we shouldn't have taken profit too early. Another thing I'm struggling with, but guess what? We're in the long, baby. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. We're in it to win it. We'll see if we do continue to push here. Good patience this morning, everybody. Good patience this morning. Okay. I've realized $80. We're up another $80 on the long here. Okay, we'll see if we do continue to push. Good patience, everybody. Good patience. Let's go, go, go. GG's, everybody. GG's, everybody. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with us. Nice little profit this morning. Stop loss at entry. We'll see if it does want to continue to run. Beautiful little trade this morning. We'll see if it does want to continue coming back. Look at that, hitting the golden pocket, eh? Hitting that golden pocket, rejection. You see how the levels always work? The levels always work. If you know how to trade them, you know how to make money. That is it right there. That is it right there. I'll let this thing ride into the sunset if it does want to. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. I mean, we nailed it again. We nailed it again. That's called trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Let's go, Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Thank you for being on the live. Make sure you guys are smashing up that like button, man. We just spoon feeding setups every single day. We got 410 people in here. Beautiful entry. Beautiful risk management. Great job, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. Let's go, let's go, let's go. GG's all the way around, man. GG's all the way around. That's why I set the trap. Always set the trap, right? We set the trap. We be patient. We don't overtrade. There was like 5 trades we could have taken there. I'm going to move my stop. My stop is good here. Look for a higher low if it does want to hold. This could turn into a much bigger trade, right? There is liquidity up at 106,500. We'll see if we get up there. A little push off these lows in here, trying to push up off of VWAP. Beautiful trade. Okay. GG's, everybody. Ooh, we 400 people in here. We all taking the trades live together. Make sure you are subscribed. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. My God. Good fun. Good fun. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love the TA. The TA always, whenever you think it can't work, it works, and then it crushes it. Okay, flag it out here for the S&P. S&P continues to push. NASDAQ continues to try and push. We'll see if Bitcoin does want to continue up here. A great trade this morning, everybody. A great trade. Now, in reflection, I took profit too early, but that's okay, right? In reflection, you know, like I said, we wanted to see, we had one candle, and then we said we wanted to see this candle push, right? If this candle push, then we would have made a decision to cut off the trade or continue in the trade. Okay, I should have waited one more candle. I didn't. So always journaling, always and looking at the analysis. I could have waited for this candle to push. I could have made a lot more money up into this high here, right? Liquidity in this high, coming and sweeping that now. Continuing to push onwards and upwards, okay? Sniper entry, everybody. Good job today. Incredible trading session as usual. Great setup and teaching. Thank you for being here, Dragonfly. It's going to run. Hopefully, Lee. We hope so. We hope so. Long or short, everyone made money with good TPs. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know. I don't think you could write it any better today. Good job, everybody. W's all around. W's all around. That trigger wave was lurking. Yeah. I'm out, says them. Housing numbers can't be any good. You guys are great, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out. W's in the chat. W's, 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 W's. Let's go. OG's in the chat. That's how we roll. We owe OG's in here, Otter gang. OG's in the chat. OG's in the chat. Look at this beautiful trade. Let's go. Valhalla. Here we come, baby. Valhalla. Valhalla long. Valhalla long, longly long, long, long. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put my stop loss up here and guarantee some more profits. Oh, man. You guys are crazy. You know, you're hanging out with some degenerate Canadian guy. Talks a lot of shit. Somehow I pressed buy and sell successfully, though. I don't know. Talk to God. I didn't make this plan. Talk to God. We just out here. We just out here hanging out. I do enjoy your guys' company. 185 likes, 383 people in here. Maybe we can all go over today and absolutely raid the living crap out of Piper Academy. Good people over there. We'll see if this thing wants to continue. I'd be taking a little bit more profit out at the highs here. Okay, next target 1067. Okay. Now don't tell me my support and resistance levels are shit. Look at that thing right there. Okay. That's called eat my shorts. That's called eat my shorts, baby. We had 106,000, baby. Look at that long. Twice in a row, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, everybody. OG's in the chat, taking the long. You guys are crushing it, man. OG's in the chat. The Otter's in the chat. The gang. The only gang you don't have to get initiated and beat up to make money, okay? Ooh-wee. Alex, check the post I sent you in the main Otter chat. Schaefer, we're too busy making money. We already looked at your Otter talk, man. Remember that SoftBank will be deploying $500 billion to help fund a new project, Stargate. Elon Musk said publicly that SoftBank doesn't have the funds available right now. Where do you think they will be getting that insane amount of money from? Yes, the carry trade unwind is going to have a major economic impacts on the entire world. As we're taking the long trade to Valhalla. Let's go, baby. Don't forget to pay yourselves, everybody. Okay, coming back down right now. They ain't going to make it easy. They ain't going to make it easy for you guys to make your money, okay? So stick close. Hang out, have fun. Use good risk management, all that fun stuff, okay? All the fun stuff. Risk management. I should have put on more size on that trade. Oh my God. No, you shouldn't have. Trade the plan, execute the plan, on to the next one, okay? On to the next one. You can't think like that. You got to just keep Trudging. Okay, keep trudging. Can I long the top? No, you cannot, Tim. You cannot. Not if you're part of the gang, bro. What you can be looking for is a retest of previous highs right now. Okay, so if you're going to look for the long, you're looking for a retest of previous highs and continuation. Okay, here's your continuation trade in here. Back in. Okay, back in, looking for this. You could be looking for the bounce out of here. Okay, coming back in right now as we speak. That could be your continuation trade. If this, then that, right? You got to be cheap here, though. You're looking for a continuation. We're long off the bottom. But if you're looking for a continuation, this is where it starts. Look at that. There you go. Bounce, right? Bounce off the tops. Continue up. We'll see, right? You want to see strength in that. You might want to get into the 1 minute here and wait, okay, if you're looking to get a re-entry. So you're revisiting the highs here, looking for this thing to hold. Got a volume level down in here as well. Okay, that's your opportunity here. Got to be patient though. Let this thing settle. Like don't just jump in willy-nilly here, because this will come back down and wreck you. Order block in here, right? Liquidity up in these lows in here. Okay, so you want to see something like that in there. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting, right? Is that the rule? Trading is waiting. Beautiful trade this morning, everybody. Thank you here for being on the live. Looking for the bounce off of that and continuation up. Like I said, next level we're looking for is 106.6. Then we're looking to come into that big all-time high order block area between 106, 107, and 109. Okay, we'll see if we do continue up on this trade. An amazing trade this morning. Amazing. Very inspiring to be here with you guys. You guys are top notch, okay? I'm not a dick for a tick. I TP. Let's effing go. You're trading news at 9:45. Power hour is almost over. Great trade this morning, everybody. Gang, man. That's incredible. Thank you guys for being here. I took profit 71.4% off. Let's go. Beautiful trade. Easy C. 24-minute trigger wave, baby. Let's go. All right. Coming back into those highs. Okay, no trade yet on that. If you want that continuation trade, no trade yet. It has not shown its true colors. Boing. Let's go. Every country should have a Trump. I love you all. I love you too, Schaefer, bro. We already gave you so much credit. We said the Otter Gang wouldn't exist. I wouldn't be live streaming if it wasn't for you. The Discord wouldn't be there if it wasn't for you. We've already given not Jonathan Schaefer all the love we can possibly muster, okay? R.S. Miller in the chat. Good morning. Good to see you, bro. We took the beautiful long off the VWAP here. All making money, man. Everybody's crushed it. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. Incredible. 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 So here's the little bounce. Did you just go boing on Cyndi Lauper? Oh, man. We blew the smoke machine up Jonathan Schaefer's butt. Okay, we'll see if this bounces and continues. Thank you, Schaefer. I appreciate you. I mean, the one thing I've done right is show up every day. That's the only thing. If I say I'm going to do it, I do it. That's try to have integrity in this crazy space of crypto, which is not easy. Not easy. Big sweep of the highs coming back into this area in here. Remember revisiting the highs. Is this the bounce area? Is it going to bounce? We'll see, right? We'll see. No trade yet. You're looking for another trade. This would be the bounce you're looking for now. You're looking for a bounce from here. Continuation, probably a 382 if you're going from swing low to swing high. 382, 0.5 bounce level. Could be looking at golden pocket, but I would want to see a 382 out of here if you're going to get aggressive here. Revisiting the highs, right? Revisiting this high right now as we speak. Go back to the 3 minute. You can get over clouded on the 1 minute, so be careful going into the short-term time frames, okay? It's always can really skew your judgment, right? And obviously we had confluence, right? Good job, everybody, identifying that 24-minute trigger wave, right? Beautiful. 12-minute VWAP crossover. Beautiful. Okay, great job, everybody. Like, it's always a good effort if we can all look at things together and all work together, right? There's an edge in community as well. That's why we have a Discord, right? Because sometimes you're not looking at things that you should be looking at, right? And that's why having people who are in the trenches together is so important, because you can all work together to make money, right? That's a pretty sexy entry today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty chuffed with that. Chuffed is a British saying. I'm pretty happy with that entry. That was pretty sniper this morning, and great patience throughout. Not every day is like this. We know this, okay? Not every day is like this. So bask in the goodness. Also, took profits too early. That's okay. This is like a $300 trade for me, which is not bad. Half a position size. I'm typically looking for 450. I took a little bit of profit a bit early. I would have taken this. I should have been taking this profit here, okay? Which would have made that difference of like $100, $150 and then some, right? Probably would have added $200 if I took profit up here and then taken profit. I took another profit up here, right? So always something to get better at, right? Great entry though, great mindset, great patience, right? Good trade today, incredible stream, good fun, and we always have a good time. It's Friday, baby. Thank you everybody for being here. An amazing day, amazing trading day. Look at all you absolute degenerate, beautiful otter people in here. God bless you guys. Wonderful trade. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. I do appreciate you guys. Smash some like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. I'm going to redirect you over to the Piper Academy. Maybe you guys can go and bomb some otters in that chat. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys on Monday or in the Discord later today. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang.